Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a new development in your country or in the area where you live, like shopping center, park, etc. You should say what and where is the development, what it was like before, how long it took to complete it, how people feel about it, and explain how it has improved the area you live in. So, as you all can see, there are 5 questions attached to this cue card, and we need to make sure that all of these 5 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So, let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Growth and development plays a significant role for a nation as it helps to overcome challenging milestones, achieve pride, as well as strive to do better. And today, I would like to speak about the establishment of solar park in the city of Jodhpur in Rajasthan. So significant means important, challenging means difficult, establishment means setting up, and strive means to make great efforts to achieve something. Okay, so solar park is basically a large solar power plant, okay, which generates a large amount of electricity using renewable source, right? It uses solar energy, so it is eco-friendly. All right, so let's continue. Moreover, this solar park is the largest solar power plant in the world in terms of electricity generation, and it took almost a decade to complete its construction, which was conducted in phases. So, conducted means carried out in phases, that means it was not just completed at one single go, it was done in phases or in intervals. Okay. Additionally, the dry and sandy area of the city, as well as its temperature ranging between 46 to 48 degrees Celsius, makes it a perfect place to harness the energy of sun. So harness means to trap or to make use of something. Besides that, this development makes Indians proud as peacocks as the park has created numerous employment opportunities during its construction and operation. So we have used an idiom here which is proud as peacocks, which means to have a very high opinion about something. And using idiomatic phrases increases your band scores for your lexical resources part later on. The park has also improved the quality and reliability of electricity supply in the region as the area faced frequent power cuts previously. Finally, the solar plant installation has reduced the dependence on fossil fuels and also avoided tons of carbon dioxide emissions, leading to a clean, green, and sustainable environment. So, we have given a very good and a relevant elaboration for the last question, which is explain how it has improved the area you live in. So, basically, we have talked about creation of employment opportunities, continuity and reliability of electricity supply, right? And also reduced dependence on fossil fuels. That means we are not using coal or any kind of other non-renewable sources of energy for electricity generation. We are using renewable source of energy. That means something that will last forever. We are using the sun, right? Solar energy. So that's what we have tried to tell here. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.